What's up, y'all? We got a rainy day today. We're gonna try and get as much done as we can. Headed to the first yard. It's we got all Euclid today. See you there. All right, we about to pull up to the first yard. Definitely about to rain. Okay, here's another lawn care service. Love to see it. Oh. Wasn't even looking, he almost got hit. But we about to pull up to the first yard. It look like it's gonna rain on me on this first yard, but we gonna try and do it because it needs to be done. You've seen this yard before, but I'm gonna tape it. I'm gonna film this yard. We're just mowing this one. We're not even gonna weed whack. We don't have time today. It's a big yard. It really doesn't. I'm gonna hit all the spots with the lawnmower, so we really don't need to weed whack. But it's this corner lot. It's already pretty much striked up, as you can see. It's a weekly cut. But I'm gonna knock it out right now. All right, y'all, so we knocked that one out. I did a little bit of weed whacking on there because it's wet. If it wasn't wet, I wouldn't have touched it with the weed whacker. There was some spots I couldn't even get my lawnmower on because there was so much water buildup from yesterday. That one took a minute. It's a bigger corner lot. Did up pretty good, looks nice. So we on to the next one. Now we pulling up to this next one. It's just a front yard cut, so this one should go quick. The customer, he maintains the back, he just wants the front cut. I have a few customers like that. We only could charge them our minimum price. It's so small, you're gonna see, but we still gotta charge them that minimum price, because I mean, to put down the gate and send someone out here, if I'm not doing it, we gotta be able to pay them. So this is it, literally this right here. So here we go. All right, y'all, we on to the next one. Look at this.